Welcome! Now, let us move forward to learning the most frequently used formulae in the Microsoft Excel. 1. Sum. Sum allows you to sum any number of columns or rows by selecting them or typing them in. For example, equal sum A1 and A8 would sum all values in between A1 and A8, and so on. In our case, we have calculated the sum of values from cell D5 to cell D16. 2. Average. Average takes the average of the numbers you input or cells. In our case, we have calculated the average of values from cell D5 to cell D16. 3. Count. Count counts the number of cells in an array that have a number of value in them. In our case, we have calculated the count of values from cell D5 to cell D16. 4. Concatenate. Concatenate is not only a fantastic word to say, but it is also a very useful spreadsheet formula if you need to combine data into one cell. For example, if you have a first and last name and you want to mention full name in one cell, then you can use concatenate function. In our case, we have found the combined result of cells B16 and cell C16. 5. Maximum. Maximum function helps to find out the maximum value out of the selected range. In our case, we have calculated the maximum value from cell D5 to cell D16. 6. Minimum. Minimum function helps to find out the minimum value out of the selected range. In our case, we have calculated the minimum value from cell D5 to cell D16. 7. VLOOKUP. This stands for vertical lookup. It is a function that makes Excel search for a certain value in a column in order to return a value from a different column in the same row. In our case, we have found the value opposite to the particulars, movie and house rent. With this, we have completed the understanding of most frequently used formulae in the Microsoft Excel. Thank you. See you at the next part of the course.